So guys, we got some news, baby. Listen, it's your boy Valtra back at it again with another video, and today we are doing an unboxing of a new webcam I got. The webcam I got is a Elgato face cam that supports 1080p 60 FPS, baby. Listen, the webcam should not be grainy anymore, baby. But yo, we gonna unbox this right now, baby. Open the box, dude. There we go. There's some tape on it, you know what I'm saying? Hold on a second. ASMR.
One eternity later.
Here it is, baby. Here it is, baby. Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging, though. Nice. That's some nice packaging, baby. Damn. Let's do a little 360. Do a little 360. Hold on. This is the protector. You know what I'm saying, for privacy concerns. What up, guys? I see. That's freaking sick. Yo, we are gonna get this set up and we're gonna compare you see the quality right now. This is the Logitech Scene 922, and I'm gonna set this up and then we're gonna come back and show the quality of the new cam. I'm not gonna touch any settings. We're just gonna see how it looks right out the box, baby. Well guys, I just set up the Elgato. This is the image when I didn't like mess with any qualities or anything. As you can tell, it is better, but look, you can literally see everything in my face, like all the freckles and stuff, bro. You can see everything in my face. Yeah, see, we gotta fix like the autofocus and stuff like that. But like, yo, this is gonna be good. So guys, as you can tell, I did mess with the settings a little bit, and look at the picture now to what it looked like before, baby.